What if the most powerful healing force in nature lies not on the surface but underground? In today's video, we will discover 7 healing roots and barks used for generations worldwide. These natural remedies support strength, digestion, circulation, and restoration effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for reliable natural health insights. While leaves provide nourishment, roots and bark are our foundation. They store essential qualities like strength, protection, and resilience, traits our bodies frequently require. This video will cover their healing benefits, their geographical origins, how various cultures traditionally utilize them. Please note, this video is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for medical guidance. 1. Ginger root. Ginger root benefits: aids digestion, reduces inflammation, enhances circulation, alleviates stomach discomfort. Where it's found: Asia, Caribbean, Africa, grown extensively worldwide. Traditional use: fresh ginger tea, added to various dishes, consumed as a warm infusion once daily. Type: ginger. In the comments if you incorporate this into your routine. 2. Turmeric root. Turmeric root benefits: supports joints and muscles, contains antioxidants, balances the immune system. Where it's found: India, Southeast Asia, tropical climates. Traditional use: made into tea with warm water, commonly added to meals, frequently paired with black pepper. If joint health is important to you, give this video a thumbs up. 3. Licorice root. Licorice root benefits: promotes gut comfort, soothes the throat and respiratory system, supports stress response. Where it's found: Europe, Asia, Middle East. Traditional use: mild tea preparation, recommended for short-term use only, prolonged use is not advised. Subscribe for well-rounded, responsible herbal knowledge. 4. Burdock root. Burdock root benefits: aids in cleansing the liver and blood, promotes skin health, supports digestive balance. Where it's found: North America, Europe, Asia. Traditional use: brewed as tea or cooked like a vegetable, often used during detox routines. Share this video with someone looking for detoxification support. 5. Cinnamon bark benefits: helps balance blood sugar, enhances digestive comfort, supports healthy circulation. Where it's found: Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, readily available worldwide. Traditional use: made into tea, added to a variety of foods, typically used in small quantities. 6. Neem bark. Neem bark benefits: supports traditional cleansing practices, promotes skin and oral health. Where it's found: India, tropical areas. Traditional use: crafted into decoctions, used occasionally, not on a daily basis. If this is new information for you, comment, "Nature heals." 7. Willow bark. Willow bark benefits: used for discomfort relief throughout history, supports mobility and joint comfort. Where it's found: Europe, North America, Asia. Traditional use: tea made from the bark, used sparingly and with respect. Roots remind us that true strength begins underground. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share which root surprised you in the comments. Activate notifications for our next episode.